Now it's time to talk about your home. If you're looking to update your flooring and you love the look of wood floors, but you're not sure if it's the right fit for you, well, we have help today. Cindy Cantrell with Express Flooring is here with more. Thanks for talking with us.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, love this. A lot of people love the look of wood, but they don't want wood floors. You have options today. Tell me about what you brought in.
Yes, so there's some limitations with wood and laminate flooring in that they are not waterproof, and a lot of times they're not scratch proof either. So wood look tile is the newest craze, and we have some very, very exciting new colors to talk about today.
Yeah, let's talk about what you brought in, because all of these are very different looks, different width, different length. So why don't we start over here? What did you bring here?
All right, so this is one of the new grays. You know, gray has just gotten so popular. It has all different characteristics of wood, very straight lines that make joining tiles up very easily, and the grout lines look very, very small.
Yeah, and tell me
narrow.
what we have here.
These ones, this looks like wood. It's very rich looking wood. It goes great with most folks' cabinets that are oaks or walnuts today, and they want to do wood, but they want something that's waterproof or water resistant, and that's what wood
I love the variations. Now, those are a little bit wider, and then you move here. These are a little bit thinner with completely different looks. I mean, this looks like it has cracks in it. It's almost like the barnwood look.
Absolutely, and as you can see, this line of tile, there's all different colors, everything from the gray with a little bit of gray blue to the grayish, which is the new gray beige look. And then you do have the distressed kind of a driftwood look with the tiles.
Yeah, that's what driftwood. It's really neat, and I love all the variations from white to brown. And then you have kind of the more traditional look too that you can get also.
Yes, and these are all porcelain tiles, so they're very, very strong tiles. And those two on the end, they actually are very rich looking with oak cabinetry or walnut again. Those are 6 by 24. These in the middle are a 6 by 36. And we have our 8-inch tiles, which are 8 by 40s. And I believe this is an 8 by 36. So it just depends on the size of the project that you want to do, what will look best for you.
What about installing them?
We have professional installers that come right to your home and take care of the installation, and we back it up with lifetime labor installation warranty. In fact, we have the best tile warranty in the business. 50-year on the wear and chipping, cracking, anything happens to these tiles, it is warranted for 50 years by Express Flooring.
Yeah, and we're looking at some of the photos of the different wood look floors, which is great too. What about the difference to next to baseboards and that kind of thing?
Very, very nice question, or very, very good question, I should say, because what happens is normally you have to remove and replace baseboards or do quarter round. And so with the wood look tile, they just join right up against your baseboard, so there's no need to remove or replace them.
Yeah, that's very nice. Now, you will bring these samples to the home?
Absolutely. Our professional design consultants come right to your door. We literally bring the floor to your door and show you under your natural lighting and next to your furniture our flooring samples, so that we can pick the right one for you.
Lifetime installation warranty too, which is great. And then not only that, today you are offering a special. You actually have 2 big specials, okay?
Yes, we do. Right now, if you call Express Flooring 1-800-EXPRESS and ask for Cindy, we're going to give you an extra 10% off of your flooring project. And that's not all. We also have a vacation vouchers for the first 10 people that call Express Flooring today. They're going to get a voucher for a free vacation. It's a voucher for a cruise for 2, or it's a condo, 8 days and 7 nights.
Excellent. All you have to do is call 1-800-EXPRESS. Go to expressflooring.com.